Greetings from Molen Orthodontics. I'm Dr. Aaron Molen, and I am awarding the Molen Orthodontics Scholarship. Now, we're excited to be giving this out to someone in your school community. And community is what it's all about. In fact, one thing that I'm always telling seniors, it's a shame I can't do it today in person, but I'm always reminding seniors to make sure that no matter what you do, when you get done with your college experience, that you bring those skills right back here to our community. Because it's our community that gets better every single time that we have one of those wonderful, passionate people return with those skills and with the knowledge that they've earned. Because we live in one of the greatest places in the world, but that's because of the people that live here. Now tonight, or today, whenever you're watching this, I'm excited to give this scholarship to somebody who has $1 million smile and has done a lot of work with sign language. Such an amazing skill to have. And so I want to say in sign language, congratulations to Paige B on getting the Molen Orthodontics Scholarship this year. Thank you.